Hello everyone, welcome to Lisa Horton Crafts. Natalia is here. Would like to show you something new from Lisa. She will be launching new release for Papercraft Society box. It's very exciting. The product's absolutely beautiful. So in Papercraft Society box comes in a beautiful box, so your contents will come in a beautiful box. I haven't got box here, and I will show you what you're gonna have in this box. So in this box you will have beautiful papers in pink, yellow and teal colors. They double-sided. You will have beautiful pattern papers. So you're gonna have watercolor effect pink colors, lighter color pink, and darker pink color. Is a pinker red color, beautiful, and one in green and gray color pattern paper. Also, you will have two craft cards. You will have some sentiments which you can cut out and add to the sentiments to the cards or your projects. Here is a beautiful rainbow color sequence, brilliant for shaker cards. And here is the floral peony stamps, absolutely beautiful. Beautiful sentiments and a good size also. And here the stamps are, you can layer them on the top when you stamp, and you can die cut with the dies which are coming also, absolutely beautiful. And here is the stencil. As you can see, the stencils are good for blending inks, for quicker for adding colors to the flowers, like this. And also you're gonna have dies with the beautiful sentiment happy with outline edge. They're absolutely beautiful. So your one will come in a clear bag. I've just added mine to the magnetic sheet. And also you will have something really exciting with this kit, inks. So you're gonna have in teal color, pink and yellow color, and I'll show you. Pink and yellow lemony color. So I'll show you if I'll add some inks to the card just to show you the colors. Pink, teal color, yellow color. So if I'll show you I'll stamp a flower. So I'm gonna do acrylic block, and will use VersaFine Clear black ink. And I will stamp another one. I'll show you how I will color the flower. So I'll use pink ink and yellow. So I'm using a water brush, and this is just 250 GSM card. So I will try to use a small amount of water. So I'm gonna add ink to the yellow ink to the center of the flower, just to show you what you can do with the inks. Now I'm gonna use a pink. So I'm gonna use and add pink color to the edge first, and then just blend gradually to the flower. I absolutely love coloring with the inks, because it gives almost like shading itself. You don't need to blend so much. So I've added more ink to the edges of the petals, just for dimension. So here is the flower, watercolored with inks. So now I will show you how I will use my stencil and a brush, and how I will blend some inks to the flower, add color to the flower. So I'm positioning stencil on top of the stamped flower. Actually, I'm gonna use my tape just to hold in and to cover this area. So you're positioning. So I will use pink color, and I'll gradually blend inks from the bottom of the flower to the top. So here is the stencil flower. So I want to show you after I cut outline edge for the sentiment happy, and this I've just added ink, teal color ink to the card, and after I cut out, I'm just showing you how it looks. There you are. And also you're gonna have a little pencil. This is pencil, a pickup tool pencil. So if I'll have some sequins out, and you can see, you can pick it up and add here. I hope you enjoyed this video of new reveal for Lisa Horton Crafts. I'm really looking forward to create beautiful projects with this beautiful kit. Take care. Bye.